Hello everyone! My name is Teacher Ron and welcome to my classroom. Ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-evaluate ng functions. How to evaluate a function. To evaluate a function is to replace or substitute its variable with a given number or expression. Papalitan lamang natin ang variable ng given number or a given expression. For example, evaluate f of x equals 3x minus 5 for x equals 6. Just replace variable x with 6. Papalitan lamang natin ang x ng 6. We have f of 6 equals 3 times 6 minus 5. 3 times 6 equals 18. Then bring down minus 5. We have now 18 minus 5 equals 13. Therefore, f of 6 equals 13. More examples. Here is a function. F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. This is important. The x is just a placeholder and f is just a name. Therefore, these are all the same function. F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 is the same with f of b equals b squared minus 3b plus 1, and also the same with r of a equals a squared minus 3a plus 1. Let us evaluate the function for x equals negative 2. Given f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. So we have f of negative 2 equals negative 2 quantity squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 1. Tandaan, mahalagang ilagay ang ating value sa loob ng parenthesis. Because negative 2 quantity squared is not equal to negative 2 squared. If we have negative 2 quantity squared, it is equal to 4. While negative 2 squared is equal to negative 4. Therefore, we have f of negative 2 equals 4 plus 6 plus 1. And 4 plus 6 plus 1 equals 11. Therefore, f of negative 2 equals 11. We can also evaluate for a given expression. Evaluating can also mean replacing with an expression such as 2a plus 3 or m squared. For example, evaluate the function for x equals 2 over w. Given f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. Replace x with 2 over w. F of 2 over w equals the quantity 2 over w squared minus 3 times 2 over w plus 1. 2 over w quantity squared equals 4 over w squared. Negative 3 times 2 over w equals negative 6 over w. So we have 4 over w squared minus 6 over w plus 1. Therefore, f of 2 over w equals 4 over w squared minus 6 over w plus 1. Another, evaluate the function for x equals a plus 3. Given f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. Replace x with a plus 3. We have f of a plus 3 equals the quantity a plus 3 squared minus 3 times the quantity a plus 3 plus 1. the quantity a plus 3 squared equals a squared plus 6a plus 9. So we have f of a plus 3 equals a squared plus 6a plus 9. Bring down negative 3 times a plus 3 plus 1. Negative 3 times a plus 3 equals negative 3a minus 9. So, f of a plus 3 equals a squared plus 6a plus 9 minus 3a minus 9 plus 1. Simplify further, we have f of a plus 3 equals a squared plus 3a plus 1. Now, I want you to try the following. Evaluate f of x equals to x squared plus 3x minus 5 for the given value of x. Number 1, f of 0. Number 2, f of negative 1. Number 3, f of 2. Number 4, f of 1 over m. And number 5, f of a minus 2. Here are the correct answers. Sana nakuha mo ang tamang sagot sa lahat ng ating mga tanong. That's it. Always remember, math ang pinakamadaling subject. Thank you for watching. God bless.